So hello guys, welcome to my channel Friendly Coder. So today in this video I am gonna tell you that how can you create a rolling dice simulator using Python. This tutorial we are gonna do on phone by using Pydroid 3 application as always. And yes, make sure that you watch this tutorial till end, because if you skip in middle and miss any of the step, then it will show error and you will again need to see the whole tutorial from starting. First thing we will do is import the random library, which will basically select any number between 1 to 6 because dice has total 6 faces. Here we are going to use while loops, and if you don't know what are while loops, then check the video in the I button. We will decide function for number, that is no, that will be random.radInt bracket 1,6, which means number is equal to any random integer between 1 to 6. Now after that we will define faces for each number. Like for number 1 there will be 1 dot on face, and for number 5 there will be 5 dots on faces. If you have any kind of doubts regarding this tutorial, then just comment below and I'll surely answer it for you. Now we will give command to the program to print the faces according to the given number. For that we are going to use print function. Now after this, the last thing is we will give commands to the program to reshuffle the dice after we press S, and to exit the game after we press N, and here we are going to use input function. And our tutorial is complete. Now simply run the program and press S, and then dice will be rolled. So you got a number. So this way you can create a simple rolling dice simulator using Python on your phone. So I hope you understood each and everything in this video. If not, then don't worry. Here is your friendly coder to help you always. Just comment below your doubt and I'll surely answer it for you.